Yeah, that's definitely him. He had a scorp and he's shooting at people. Not me though. I mean, just
Oh,
getting a
you're
shot.
fast. You're
Oh, I
so
see him. I
quick.
could so kill him right now. Headshot him with the pistol. I really want to do it.
Headshot him. Headshot him.
If I miss though, I'll be fucked. Should I
But
try?
if you hit, you will get all his loot.
Okay, I'm really close now. I did it! I fucking did. Oh no, that's a different guy. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Okay, well I got a shit. Oh fuck, he's coming for me. He Oh shit. Okay, I got a scorp. Oh no, wait. No, I think this is the guy. I gotta get out of here though. I'm really fucked. Oh, he's gonna. Okay, I got the scorp. I. That was really. Yeah, I just popped him in the head. Just one shot. Bam, dead.
Bam,
If he
bam,
if he wouldn't
bam.
have died, I would be very fucked right now. Yeah, I think this guy killed the guy I was talking to, and then now I killed him, so I win.
So
Never mind,
basically,
there's another fucking guy here. Okay, I'm gone.
run.
No, I am. Sure will. Thanks for the advice. Alright, cool. Free loot. By just popping someone in the head with a pistol.